Let's change the look with my favorite trimmer. First we will start with 1.5 mm all over the face. Then we will move around all over the face, around the chin and the cheeks, everywhere, on the sides, on the mustache. All the side is 1.5 mm. Then we will switch the shifter to 0 mm for the neck and the cheek sides. Pay attention to the details, do not leave any hair. I don't like the beard patch and I always trim it. Most people love it, so you can keep it. Sharply trim your mustache details. You can notice now it's much cleaner than before. Let me tell you a better way to dry your hair. Always start with cold hair. It helps you to dry hair and it closes the skin pores and tightens the root of your hair. So if you see there is too much water remaining in your head, you can switch to the hot air, but in a better way. It dries your hair quickly and it gives you better volume. But never point the dryer directly towards your scalp. Always point it in a way that air slides above the hair. Now let me show you the proper and easy way to straighten your hair. Look at the comb I am showing you in the video. Just do like this. It is the most simplest and easiest way to make your hair straight and not frizzy. And after that, always use a broad comb. Never use very small comb because it causes friction and the friction causes damage. So make sure you always use a broad comb. We are done with the hairstyling. Now tell me, which one did you like, the left side or the right side? Do not forget to subscribe my channel.